Hey guys, I'm happy to report finally I put this bike together the way I enjoy it a lot, literally a lot. Last time I put the Cobra ECU on it, it was good, gave me a lot of torque, but on the mid-range I wasn't really satisfied with it. I made a video, but I kind of felt really disappointed, so I don't want to put it up and show it to you guys because that's just, you know, it was a big disappointment for me. But anyway, what I did, like I said, I have the ECU from Cobra S3 head, high compression head, works really good. I put it on and I rode it yesterday a little bit over here, and it was on the way it's supposed to be still after all. And then what I did, I ending up taking this baby out and I adjust the idle screw. I put it up a little bit and turn the air screw 2.5 turns out all the way in and 2.5 turns out, and I changed the filter. And now this bike is literally a screaming animal. I mean, it's just really put a smile on my face every single time I twist the throttle. This is really my first time riding after I adjust the air screw. Okay. Better than ever. Wow! I can even stop this time. Wow. Whew. Maybe even too much for me. Wow. It just revs up so quick. I couldn't even stop in time. Oh my god. So definitely the key is the S3 head, Cobra ECU, adjust the idle screw and turn the air screw in, and then there you have it.